How to fix SD card not showing up on Windows 10. To fix SD card not showing up on Windows 10, try 1. Restart Windows 10 computer. 2. Check hardware connections, another USB port, another SD card reader, another computer, and alike. 3. Run hardware troubleshooter. 4. Update, using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide, or reinstall SD card reader driver. 5. Perform a malware/virus scan using the recommended Avast internet security in this video guide. 6. Assign a drive letter for the SD card using disk.msc. 7. Disable and re-enable SD card reader in Device Manager. 8. Remove write protection on the SD card. Run these commands as admin. Disk part list disk select your SD card attributes disk clear read only 9. Repair corrupted SD card file. System with chkdsk. 10. Recover, back. Up your data from SD card and reformat it to FAT32. For Mac computer users, (1) Check and clean the SD card. 2. Enable external disks option in Finder preferences. 3. Show up SD card in Finder. 4. Show up the SD card in Disk Utility. 5. Repair the corrupted SD card. Using an Android phone. Reboot. Remove and reinsert your card. Clean your memory card. Unmount and remount your SD card. Try the above mentioned 10 tips in the Windows section.